All right, this next question is from Ephraim. Is it easy to make money on Upwork? No, it's not. In fact, it's most of the people don't make money on Upwork. So I think that if you do want to make money on Upwork, you have to be incredible at what you do, because it's gotten very competitive, because it's great. The fact that you can just work from a computer anywhere in the world and charge whatever you want and just make awesome money, like, it's unparalleled to anything that's ever existed on this planet. It's amazing. I was just at a hotel, like on a pool, like making money, and I'm not trying to sound like an asshole. I'm just saying, like, this is freaking amazing. So a lot of people want to do it, but not a lot of people even make it onto the system. First of all, because it's gotten crazy competitive just to get placed. And second, so many freelancers suck, to be honest, and like they don't want to figure stuff out. They don't want to make sure the client's happy. They don't want to be an expert in anything. So if you don't want to go that route and you do want to be an expert and you want to learn all this stuff and you want to work with these clients and be a badass and do all this stuff, like, there's definitely an open lane to make whatever dollar amount that you want. I mean, that's just a fact. Like, if you want to be awesome, like, I hire people every single day on Upwork to do different things for me and my company, and just like I'm hired, like, it's an even exchange. So I know I've paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars. I know that I've received hundreds of thousands of dollars. So you can make a ton of money. Most people don't make any money. So it's really whatever you want it to be, just like any other marketplace is, or life is. I mean, a lot of people don't make money. Some people make a lot of money. So it's really how you make of it. But if you want to make money on Upwork, like, you got to be awesome. You have to have an awesome profile. You have to come in with some type of expertise or learn stuff. And you can learn stuff very quickly in this day and age. Like, you can go on Upwork, YouTube, or like buy a course on Masterclass. Like, there are outlets to become experts in whatever type of, let's just call it digital marketing. You could be an expert in digital marketing very quickly and learn a lot of the stuff that I do and make a lot of money, because I will probably hire you to have me help you, other clients that I have, if you know what you're doing. I would do that right now. So if you know that stuff, hit me up, because I need that help. So most people don't want to go that route, unfortunately. But yeah, I think it's easy to make money if you really, really want to. But if you just want to get on and hope that someone's going to hire you and pay you money, 100% not going to happen. So thanks so much for the question, and talk soon. Bye-bye.